Hello, my name is Amaia. I come from south of France and I'm studying in Kedge Business School. I'm here in Vietnam for a 6-month internship. I was scared to come in Vietnam because it was my first time in Asia and it was difficult to leave my countryside. But finally, I was surprised by Vietnam and Vietnamese people. They are very smart and kind. Thanks to my boss, I will meet a lot of business people and factories. I'm a fighter, exactly a boxing and kickboxing fighter. Here in Vietnam, I want to launch my fashion startup. So I have to write a business plan. I have been here for 2 months already and I start to write the business plan of my fashion startup, which is Fight Focus. Fight Focus deliver protective clothes to women fighters. Thanks to my business plan, I have a clear view of what I already did and what I still have to do. I'm grateful to be able to write my business plan for my fashion startup here in Vietnam.